As well, a very slight chance of rain early Sunday morning. That is going to quickly move off to the east, clearing out the skies once again Sunday and Monday. So you see plenty of sunshine later on, and then we'll bring in another chance of rain. As far as our winds go this morning, we're seeing them mostly out of the east. Now, we are going to warm our temperatures up tomorrow. So tomorrow, these winds are going to shift out of the southwest, bringing in that warm air behind that warm front. Then, like we saw, though, that cold front's going to push through starting on Saturday night into Sunday morning, 3 a.m., the winds are out of the northwest, bringing that cooler air in from Canada.
If you have to go out, leave yourself plenty of time. I can't stress how slippery the roads are, guys. Even if they don't look like it, there's no snow on it. There's still going to be a thick layer of ice on there, so keep that in mind. The snow is blowing, guys, just pretty much horizontal right now. The winds are gusting. We have it up to 28 miles an hour.
So guys, right now, I'm going to flip over from Lewis Dortch reporter into Lewis Dortch NASCAR driver / announcer. Lewis Dortch gets a little bit loose starting into turn one. This allows Nate Haggerty to get a run on him on the outside. The outside has been very fast today, Bill. This was sent in to us yesterday by Haley Norman. Aurora over the Badlands, absolutely beautiful. Haley, you have no clue how jealous I am. This has been a dream of mine for as long as I can remember to see.
Talking to Brent Long of the Rapid City Fire Department a little earlier this morning, and he said that embers and the wind that we had last night was actually blowing fire embers into the Central States Fairgrounds. He said so it was a good thing that we had this very wet snow falling, because if it was in the summertime or if it was drier out, then they wouldn't have also have to worry about this, but also setting fire to some of the hay over there.
A slight risk of severe storms as we move throughout the day, and we can expect pretty much the same thing if these storms do kick up some damaging wind and hail. So as you head east of Rapid City, maybe heading out towards Wall, even the Ellsworth Air Force Base, we're going to see these continue to make their way north here maybe within the next couple hours. At 6 p.m., some very heavy rain, and then as we get later on into the evening and into the night, well, that's when we're going to see it change over into snow. Sunday, 6:30 a.m., we see widespread snow showers, some of it heavy at times. And
but you know, as we saw earlier News Center 1 today, these warm temperatures are actually one of the main reasons that potholes like this one right here in front of me occur. But yeah, the snow is actually just started to pick up a bit along with the wind, and if you can see a little bit behind me, you can see the lodge here, but you can see you can't even see the mountain behind it.
It's already hurricane watches and warnings for parts of the South Carolina coast, North Carolina coast, and moving up into Virginia. And then we'll
You're watching News Center 1 today. We'll be right back.
Behind a warm front, these warm southwesterly winds are going to be moving into our area. And we can see as we move east, though, we have a lot cooler temperatures, 13 below right now in Aberdeen. We're going to move on over here. Did you follow me over? There we go. Yeah. All right. Here we go. Okay. Join now with the cheerleaders. So this is where the cheers all happen. We have seen some showers popping up during the afternoon, and guys, that's just the same trend that's going to continue as we move throughout the next couple of days. And we'll take a look at those high temperatures from yesterday. So my mood tomorrow will all depend on what happens tonight.
Well, I'm scared.
That's how it goes. Like, I will be so happy in the morning if they win. If they lose, it's going to be...
You're going to be moody Judy if they lose.
Yeah, you lie like a coon dog basking in the sunshine on my porch. Well, you lie like a Fanny in the parking lot. This one at the grocery store.
She said to add about 4 inches of mulch, and mulch is a great moisture controller. It also, as it deteriorates, it puts organics in the ground.
This jet stream begins shifting just a little bit to the south. What that's allowing it to do is bring all this cooler air in from Canada. Now, we've been seeing the rays down there in the southern hemisphere. However, today we're going to see these sun rays directly on the equator, and then moving from here on out, they're going to be shifting more and more to the north, getting us into the spring, summer, warmer temperatures. Overall, I think everyone smiles, gets a little bit bigger. Forecast for today, 10:30 a.m. kickoff time, Detroit, 34 degrees. We're going to be looking at a few scattered showers around there. Then we'll fly on down to Dallas, where we have a big NFC East showdown, Dallas versus Philadelphia, and it's going to be clear. Beautiful, 60 degrees also, unfortunately. No snow.
Forward to that, but you know, these warmer temperatures can also cause some problems. Yesterday, we saw how they actually can affect road conditions and actually contribute to the potholes that we see form in the roads. And then today, we're going to be talking about floods.
So keeping in mind, winds always blow from high to low pressure. If the wind is blowing out of the cave, we can assume pressure inside is higher than the pressure outside.
I'm not a huge coffee person. That's the only thing. So,
But Lewis, you're a morning person. That doesn't make sense.
I know. Isn't it weird? It's weird. I don't know. But Caroline, I'm sorry, Jessica. But I think it was the eggnog and I have hers here. That's like
Fine. I'll let you take the cake.